Greetings, hello, welcome back to the Zavvi channel. My name is Joe Warlock, and today, I've got my childhood for you, essentially. It's Mario, it's Lego, and it's amazing. I talk, of course, of this, the Mario Lego expansion set, and it's Bowsers Airship. Look at it, that looks absolutely phenomenal. So in this video, we're gonna build this, and then we'll look at all the pieces, and then I will actually attempt to finish this course. In case you don't know, the Mario Lego sets are awesome. You get all different ones, you put them together, you create your courses, you try and finish them in the allotted time. It's fantastic. This is one of the best expansion sets I have seen. 1,152 pieces, and it is number 71391, and it is available on the Zavvi website if you want to grab yours. We take a look at the back. This is essentially what we are building. That is the course. It looks fantastic. I cannot wait to build this. As I said, expansion set, you're going to need yourself either the Mario starter set or the Luigi starter set, or both, and you can play it 2-player. Enough of me, let's get into this. We'll start this by doing the normal, cutting it open, getting all the pieces out. So to build this, you'll need the instructions. So download the Lego app, go into the Lego app, go into Lego Super Mario, start. And the next screen should come up. You want the second option down, dun 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 dun, and then in the corner, instructions. And then slide across to the one that says Airship. Where is the airship? There it is, Bowsers Airship. So the first little Lego character we built is Rocky Wrench. If you remember these from the actual Mario games, these were awesome. They were sort of moles, and they popped out of manhole covers, and they threw a wrench at you. He is very cool though. The glasses make him look absolutely brilliant, and that just one random tooth. It's very cool, and you can see the cover on his head. So here's Rocky Wrench and Mario. Rocky Wrench gets knocked over, Mario jumps on his back a few times and gets some of those amazing coins. Next up is Kamek the Wizard. Yes, he is a Magikoopa, which is essentially a sort of wizardy Koopa. Yes, it's true. He is an advisor to Bowser and one of the top guys in the Mario universe as a villain. He is technically the arch enemy of Yoshi. I love his little hat. That is fantastic. He does have his broom, which also has a thing for Mario to stand on. So he sits on his broom and he can fly around. But then of course Mario can come along, hit him off with his broom, and stand on it. And when he stands on his broom, the barcode activates and it makes a flying noise and he collects points as he flies around. Right, the cannon. Very simple. This is the pipe cannon that starts the level. You get fired out of this, it gives you 90 seconds to complete. On the inside of it, it does say start, because this is where you start. It's very cool. So Mario goes in, click it back and forth. He fires out with a lovely cannon explosion and a 90-second start. Lovely design, love the colouring, really does fit into the Mario world. A super quick build, this one. It is the Goomba. We all know the Goomba. It's the most iconic character in Mario apart from Mario. Probably, at least to me. Little small fungi-like creatures. They're very, very cool. On his head as well, of course, he does have the thing for Mario to stamp on and gain 1 coin. And that face just makes him look like he has no clue what's going on. But he also has a pirate hat, which makes him look a million times better. Absolutely love the pirate hat. So with this one, Mario comes along, kicks off his hat, a bit rude, stamps on his head, still a bit rude, and gets a coin. Right, now that we've attached the wing-like sail things, we can attach the foremast to the base. Okay, let's bring in Luigi, knock down the mast, and jump on the code until we get those amazingly awesome coins. Right, now we've built the mecha hands, some masts, the cannon, and a few of the characters, we can make our own very small little level. Okay, so we're gonna take Mario, put him in the cannon, we'll rock him back and forth a few times just to make him a little bit dizzy. Pops out, kick off the hat, jump on the Goomba, get some coins, take down the mast, and then we bounce on this for a little bit, for a few minutes until we actually get it. Right, knock over the little wrenchy guy. Where is he? There, jump, 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 jump. Takes a few hits, this one. Go on, right, over to the magic wizard bloke onto his broom. Hopefully we stay on. We spin the mast, take down the mecha hand, and it's over to the mecha hand. If it would like, there we go. Jump on it, jump, jump, jump. This takes a lot of hits to get done, and eventually we do manage to do it. There we go, we're done. And here's the completed ship, which you can pull apart and looks fantastic. Like, this thing is absolutely massive, but it looks stunning. So we're gonna add in the main mast, because this actually fits in the center of the ship. Then you can add in the mecha hand, which will be hidden when the ship closes. Here we go, if we can do this without breaking it. Perfect, look at that. Then we can add in the front mast. I can't remember, foremast I think the name of it. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And then we have the side panels, which you might have seen used earlier for when we made the very, very small level, but these actually sit on the side of the ship to stop it just coming apart. It's very clever. Look at this thing, it's absolutely gorgeous. So, on the spinny disc of joy, it has two modes. There is the flying mode, which is what you will see it like as an airship, with some of the characters on there as well. And then it opens up and it converts into its course mode, which is the one I'm most excited to try shortly. This does stand at 12 inches high, 13.5 inches long, 7.5 inches wide. It is quite the Mario Collector's set. Right, I didn't have my mic on, so let's commentate over the top. Mario begins his run in the cannon. He jumps out of the cannon and heads straight over to the first mast, taken down very quickly. Then he jumps up and down for a little bit to try and get some coinage, which eventually he will. Eventually, there we go, takes off the hat, single hit, gets the Goomba. Take down the wizard, and he's onto the broom. Oh no, he's not, he's gonna hit the wizard again, because we need those coins as well. Now he's onto the broom, which is where it's all gonna go horrifically wrong. Because I didn't set this up correctly, as you're about to see. Mario now has a headache. So Mario's back on the broom, and he's off the broom again. I really wasn't very good at this part, but we took the mecha hand down. Off we go, jump on the mecha hand a few times. Mario's actually quite dizzy now, but there we go. And we pound on the mecha hand until we get those coins. This takes a lot of doing to get this one. It's up, hit the power block, and eventually this guy, there we go. Get the points off the wrench man. Eventually, if we hit him again. 90 seconds and I'm not even sure I was gonna do it. Onto the back, and this is the final boss, the Bowser Koopa head on the back. And there's about 20 seconds left or so, which was panic inducing. We hit the flag, we did it, and we got some coins. See, we are great. I actually managed to do that, and I didn't think I would. Yep, this is one of the most impressive Lego sets I've seen, and it's Mario, and I love Mario. I grew up with Lego, I grew up with Mario. This is just, it's like being a kid again. This is fantastic. I love the cannon, but yeah, this is gonna have to replace something up there and go on display. Fantastic. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Do you like this set? Have you got one? If not, why not? Go and get one. As always, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Check out our other videos. I've been Joe Warlock. This has been Zavvi. Until next time, keep it awesome, and I'll catch you then. Bye-bye.